What's going on, everyone? Hope you're having a great day. So today we're going to do a very basic install on the Tundra, something that I've never done, but I don't know why I've never done it because it looks like it's going to be amazing. We got ourselves an LED interior light kit. So we're going to replace all of these lights in here with LEDs. I got the kit at Headlight Revolution, and the cost of it was $73 before shipping. I think shipping was around $9, but it comes with everything. So let's take a look at some of the lights we're going to replace. So we will be replacing the map lights, the dome light, the vanity lights, and the footwell light for the driver. So it looks to be a very simple install, and I got my little pop tool here, so let's get started and get this done. I know it's daylight out and you won't get a real sense of what this will do at night yet, but just to show you the difference. Old bulb, LED bulb. That is a massive difference right there. All right, next up, we're going to change out the vanity lights on the driver side and passenger side. Okay, before we move to the back, just a quick review of the work done. It really isn't that hard at all. You just got to have yourself a good pop tool to get onto the bottom of this, to take the lens down, and then you pop out the bulb and you pop in a new one. It's really that simple. So now we're going to head over to the dome light in the back. All right, simple install, just like the front ones. The only thing you got to keep an eye on is when you're putting the lens back in, you got to make sure you get the two clips on it up over the headliner. And that is a little bit of a pain, but you can kind of just work it in. Just pay attention to what you're doing so you don't rip your headliner. And if you can still see the 2 tabs right here, you got to keep going and get it up over the headliner. So just keep that in mind. The last bulb we're going to change is this little footwell light. I don't have anywhere to mount the camera, but I'll let you know if I have any issues with it. Looks very simple though. All right, so I got the stock light out of the spot that it's in just by twisting it from the back, so no big deal. Okay, video done, and my camera died at the same time, so this is my phone. Pretty simple install, and I can't wait till it gets a little dark out to see how these things look, because even in the day they already look really good. One of those things I should have did a long time ago, of course, but this kind of modernizes the interior a little bit, and it's only, like I said, with shipping for me, a little over 70 bucks. In the description below, I will put the link to Headlight Revolution where I bought it. And they have a bunch of other things on their website other than just the interior LED kit. And I give them a major high five for this one because it's easier than going to find each individual bulb I needed to buy for this. They just have the kit, simple. So if you guys have any questions, comments, or concerns, don't be afraid to comment below. Let me know. Do you have LEDs in your Tundra interior? Do you want LEDs in your Tundra interior? Comment below. Twitter, Instagram, LinkedIn, Facebook at TundraDude34, TundraDude34@gmail.com. I thank you for watching, and check out Headlight Revolution for your set of interior LED lights.